we had to, we were looking at it was my mom's 75th birthday, and we wanted to go out somewhere for her birthday. And we were evaluating, and that's when we decided we should definitely come to Atali, because we knew that Weber will ensure that the safety standards at Atali will be very high, and there will be no issues. So that's why we are here, and I don't think we regret it at all. I'm so glad we are here.
Probably Atali Ganga is one place which I look forward to whenever we get the chance. Uh, I call it a home away from home. The staff out here are extremely warm. Pooja already said that if we are getting great food during our treks in our tent, we are getting absolutely brilliant food. At the cafeteria out here. We were here earlier this year for our annual company offsite. Group of 30 people, brilliantly taken care of. So when we heard that Atali had opened up again post lockdown, the first call which went out was to Kala, saying, "Can we come up here?" And we are glad we made it here. Um, we've done about 5 treks with Aquaterra since the time we started in 2014-15, and one thing which has remained or one thing which remains high, and actually we see it improving every year, is their safety standards. So Chadar, Kilimanjaro, Stoke, Parangla, we've done, these are the ones we've done. And safety remains priority. And when we're looking at safety from that point of view, whether it is now COVID post lockdown, safety remains something we look forward to, and something we'll always relate to with Aquaterra. And secondly is the kind of friends we've made on the trek. It's not only the crew at Aquaterra or at Atali. The kind of friends we've made on trek are people we are in touch with since 2014. We get along with them extremely well. So you get along with people who think same, people who think of the same operator for the same reasons, and we become a one large family. So my WhatsApp group is on since 2016 or 2017 with a different group, and we stay in touch with everybody. So on my way out, I'll be already thinking about when is the next time I'm going to visit Atali. Looking forward to treks reopening next year probably, and already have a list of treks I want to do with Aquaterra next year.
Yeah, and even the team, I have to say, I think just as you were saying, just the team of Rana, Jeetu, Vikas, I mean, the whole gang. It's just so much fun to be with them. They're such amazing people. They take such good care of you. I mean, besides the safety standard, they just take such good care of us. It's just so nice to be with them.
And of course, we get to bully Webber all the time, so that's an added
Yes.
incentive. Okay, so I was just telling Pooja that day that this is the first time we've come here, in the monsoon. Otherwise, the river for us is a raft in it, the adrenaline of the rapids hitting you, and there is a lot of noise to it. Yesterday or day before yesterday, we actually heard a voice of a river. Right, we could not hear anything else besides just a swollen river, and it was brilliant. And we were blessed that day with some pleasant weather, and we got a good layer of fog above the river. So it was a little surreal, that entire thing. I wish I could show you the picture on my phone right now, but it was very surreal, and a good takeaway from this trip up here. I'm sure we'll have many of them. Not only that, but that was a brilliant start to a stay out here. As much as people are saying that lockdown and things like that, so one positive which has come out of this place is you can actually work from anywhere, right? So there are no client meetings happening, nothing like that. So as long as you're available in front of your laptop and you're available on your phone, you can actually be working from anywhere, and people do not know where you are. You could be in Bombay, Delhi, Rishikesh. You could be working out of any place. So it's peaceful. I go early in the morning and block my preferred corner in the cafe, and it's been pretty smooth. I managed to put in my 6-7 hours on phone calls talking to my laptop, and that's working out well. I think though, Only difference out here is not being able to meet people face to face, which is anyway not happening.
This is my third trip to Atali, but we've never gone on the short hikes around Atali ever since because we've just been so busy with the activities within Atali itself. So it was really nice going for that hike. There was this, so we had Mukesh with us, and there was a small, I was telling him I want to go to a place which has a waterfall. So there was a small waterfall with a plunge pool there, and we all got into the water and we were under the waterfall and playing around, and it was super fun. So it was really, really nice. And then I think it was just beautiful to hear different kind of birds in the jungle, and that was all that you could hear. It was really beautiful. We picked up a lot of nice feathers that were strewn around on the ground. So yeah, that's going to be a good memory to carry back. Which I'm just going to be sad to go back. I think I'm really going to be sad to go back.